Title: Did you know there's a shrimp with a claw hotter than the sun? In the shallow seas, there lives a tiny creature no longer than a finger. It's called the pistol shrimp, and despite its size, it carries one of the most powerful weapons in the ocean. The pistol shrimp's claw is not just for grabbing, it's for shooting. With a single snap, it slams its claw shut so fast that it creates a bubble in the water. But this is no ordinary bubble. For a split second, the collapsing bubble reaches a temperature hotter than the surface of the sun. The force creates a shockwave strong enough to stun or even kill nearby prey. Fish and small crabs are knocked out instantly, leaving the shrimp to feast. The snap is so loud it can be heard underwater like a gunshot, loud enough that pistol shrimp colonies can interfere with sonar equipment. Despite its size, this tiny shrimp is one of the loudest and fastest strikers in the animal kingdom. A reminder that power in nature doesn't always belong to the biggest creature. It often hides in the smallest. Backhand index pointing right, keep learning with us, because every corner of nature holds a secret more explosive than you can imagine.